From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Question 52 of NECO 2025 is on statistics, specifically on mean. We are asked to calculate the mean of the distribution in this table. And you recall how we calculate mean. Mean is summation of fx over summation of f. So for this class interval, we take the middle number or the average. 0 plus 4 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. And so if we multiply it by the frequency, that is mean of fs, s times f, it is 2 times 4. Here, 9 plus 5 is 14, divided by 2 is 7, plus 7 times 5. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 times 6. 34 divided by 2 is 17. 17 times 7 over the summation of the frequency. 4 plus 5 is 9. 15, 22. So this is 22. This is 8. This is 35. This is 72. 7 times 7 is 49. Add down 9, carry 4. 7 times 1 is 7. This is 119 over 22. If we add this, we'll get 234 over 22. And if we divide, we'll get 10.636, approximately 10.6, which is C. Thank you for watching.